Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn about articles, and in this lesson we'll learn only indefinite articles. So let's begin with the definition of articles. The words a or n and the are called articles. They come before nouns. So they are used before nouns. Okay, so types of articles, there are actually two types of articles called definite article and indefinite article. Indefinite articles a or n are called indefinite articles because they normally do not specify or point out some definite or specific person or thing being talked about. Okay, so for example, a cow, it can be any cow. Okay, sorry, it is A-M-Y, it's actually A-N-Y, any cow. So a dog, a deer, etc. So we are not specifying anything, we are just talking generally about any cow. It can be any cow, any doctor, any nurse. When we say a nurse, a doctor, a cow, etc. In definite article, the word the is called definite article because it points out some specific person or thing being talked about or spoken about. So let's take few examples. For example, he saw the doctor, so meaning some specific or some particular doctor. We are talking about some particular doctor, not any doctor. Okay, he wants the book that he gave you. So here the book refers to a specific book, not just any book or like any book, but it is talking about a specific book. So let's take another example to make it simpler. There was a villager. The villager lost his goat. There was a villager. So first we are talking about a villager, you know, any villager. And then in the second sentence we are referring to the first villager that we talked about already in the previous sentence. So now in the second sentence we are referring to the same villager that is mentioned already. There was a villager, and then the villager refers to the specific villager that is already mentioned in the previous sentence. The villager lost his goat. So now here the villager is being talked about is the particular one, okay, who is already talked about in the previous sentence. So we have indefinite and definite article. Indefinite article is used before singular countable nouns. There's a difference. Indefinite article is used before singular countable nouns: a book, an orange, an honest man, a woman, etc. Okay, and definite article, while definite article is used before singular countable nouns, plural countable nouns, and also uncountable nouns. For example, the book, the books, the milk, etc. So now how do we know that we will use here? We are specifically learning about indefinite articles a or n. So the choice between a or n depends upon the sound of the first consonant, of the first syllable. So the first point is that an is used the use of an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an umbrella, an hour, an honest, an apple, etc. Notice that the words hour and honest begin with a vowel sound, as you know that the initial h is not pronounced in the following words. Second, the use of a is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Consonant sound, for example, a boy, a cat, a woman, a cow, etc. And we also use a with words like a university, a unicorn, a useful word, etc. Because these words, they start with a consonant sound. And likewise, we also say 1 rupee note, a one-eyed man. So here we are using a with one because we can see that it begins with a vowel sound of w, that is woman, one, etc. Or 1 rupee note, a one-eyed man. So that's all. I hope you like the lesson, and in the next video, inshallah, we will talk about the definite article. So thanks for watching.